lay down their guns. Tell them that the tiger needs a little bit of love. Let them run in the jungle, let them roam their land, and stand back and marvel, what a beautiful cat. 'Cause I saw Tiger, now I understand. I saw Tiger, Tiger saw me. Alright, well, I'm getting a lot of requests for this one, so I'm going to break it down for you guys. Let's check this out. All you need is a capo at the 2nd fret, and you need some open chords. There is one bar chord in there for you. Let's close that up just a little bit. All right, so you've got standard tuning, capo 2nd fret. We've got a C major chord. All right, that's 3rd fret, 5th string, 2nd fret, 4th, open on the 3rd, 1st fret, 2nd string, strum. Then we've got an F. We're gonna do it as an F bar chord, all right? You could do it as an F open. I'm gonna show you the bar chord first. So you're gonna put your 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 5th string, pinky 4th fret, 4th string, 3rd fret, middle finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret, and your index bars all 6. You strum from the 6th string down. If you want to do the open one, the little bit easier one, you keep this here. 3, pinky is on there, middle finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string, index, 1st fret, and you strum from the 5th string down for that F if you didn't want to do the bar chord. Then you need a G. All right, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, open, 3rd fret, 3rd fret, strum from the 6th string down, and then you've got an A minor. That's open, 2nd fret, 2nd fret, 1st fret, and then open on the 1st string from the 5th string down. All right, so let's break this down. Your intro is going to be down, 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 up, down, down, down on A minor. All right, so we've got C, F, A minor, back to C is your, well, it's your verse and your intro. And then it goes G, C. So let's try it. We're going to go down, 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 up, down, F, A minor, down, down, up, down, down, C, down, down, up, down, down, C. That down was on the G, and then right back to C. So down, 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 up, down, down on F, A minor, down, down, up, down, down, and C, down, down, up, G, C, down, down, up, down, down. All right, so then that's your verse every single time. Then you've got a chorus. Starts on the F. You can do the open or this one. It's down, down, to A minor. So it's a full measure of F. So the strumming pattern down, 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 up, down, down, A minor, down, 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 up, down, down, C, down, down, up, down, G, C. And then another strum because it's G, C there. So that chorus, you got F, down, down, up, down, down, A minor,